How to use a Lime scooter. Yeah, in this video, I'll show you a quick guide for you to be able to get started and use the Lime scooter that you just rented. But first, if you already have the scooter on your end, all you have to do is to open up your mobile device and access your app store. And you want to have to download a Lime application, which is going to be this one, the Lime hashtag Ride Green. Now, once you've successfully downloaded it, just simply open up the application and create a free account. And once you've successfully created an account, you should be able to see this dashboard right here. Now just simply use the scan option for you to be able to scan the QR code that is located at the right side of the panel of your Lime scooter. Scan it and you should be able to run it into the map. Now, the legend of the map that you'll be seeing on your screen after scanning it is going to be for this example right here. Now, these scooters logo right here is actually indicating that there is other users that you can see on map, and this red boxes or this red highlighted fields right here actually means that you cannot park your scooter right there. You will also have a yellow highlighted on the road, which means that you just need to go slow, and then on the white marks is just you can go on a decent speed. And that's it. That's how you use a Lime scooter.